Welcome to the Faster, Easier, Better show. This podcast is short, fun, and jam-packed with good ideas that you can start using right away.
Welcome to another episode. I'm your co-host, Ellen, along with my co-host,
Lee. Okay, let's go. We got a lot to cover.
We do. We're going to talk about time-saving tips, tricks, and hacks. Go.
Okay, so it used to be I would get all these magazines and then I'd feel like, oh my goodness, if I don't read them, I'm a loser. And now it's streaming services. I'm paying for Netflix, I'm paying for Hulu, I'm paying for all these things, so I must watch more TV. No, streamline your streaming and you won't feel the guilt of not making the most of that money, and you won't have to watch as many horrible shows that are, 16 episodes long. Come on.
A little editorializing there, huh?
You know it.
Okay, so my idea is to keep like-minded things together so you don't have to hunt things down. And, let's think about in the bathroom, you probably keep all of your hair care products right together. Cool. Keep that idea going through your house, whether it's keeping all of the things to make coffee or tea together or things in the garage. We've talked about this, your kids, keeping all your sports equipment together. All the baseball stuff goes here. All the football stuff goes here. But find your like-minded items, put them together so you can immediately jump into whatever you're doing without having to go look for other things.
Right, and same with travel. I have a travel bag that has, everything. I have a speaking bag when I go out and give a presentation that has duplicates of everything I have at home, so I don't have to remember to bring it. It's already in my bag, ready to go. Okay, here's my next tip.
Wait.
What?
I could have used that. Last month, I had a speaking gig, and I completely spaced on some of the equipment I needed because it wasn't in my travel bag. So, boom, you should have told me.
Yeah,
okay.
Sorry about that.
Yeah.
Okay, but
Next
now you
idea.
know. And
now I do.
Lesson learned. You had to feel the pain to really make it
I
stick.
felt all the pain.
Okay. All right, so the next thing that I would say is I like to clean a little bit at a time instead of one big cleaning day. And then by the time the weekend comes around, we've vacuumed in little sections and we've cleaned in little sections. And by the weekend, there's no more cleaning. It's just fun.
I
That's
like
it.
that.
I'm going quick. Come on, let's go.
Oh,
Get
you
with the
are
program.
going quick. Okay, I'm going to go back to the travel thing. And that is like keep in your suitcase or your duffel bags or whatever you travel with, keep things that are important. We have travel cubes that you put, here I'm going to put all my socks go in this cube and all my t-shirts go in this. Well, we don't need those when we're not traveling. So those just stay in the suitcases in the garage until it's time to travel.
Okay, somebody loves to do what you hate to do. And so I've discovered I like to cook. I know. And so I traded with my wife a task so that I get to do more cooking, which she doesn't particularly enjoy. And then she took one of my tasks. And then I said, you know what? I'm going to make of all the things on my master list, I'm going to make what I call my to delegate list. And I realized the kids could be doing a lot of these things. So I started delegating. And I'm looking at everything I do now and say, do I really need to do this, or could somebody do it better? Would this benefit them? I'm trying to figure out how to make them believe it, even if it doesn't. No, this is good for you. Kids, washing your own clothes gives you a sense of satisfaction. And, when you're done, there's nothing like putting on that warm. They're not buying it. I know. You're not buying it.
I'm not buying it.
But
no.
a to-delegate list at least gets you thinking about potentially getting some things off that list without you having to do them.
I like it. I
got more.
Well, cool. I've got one, and that is because you know how I feel about timers and alarms. I'm a big fan. And the one that I have found has really been helping me out this summer is to set alarms 10 minutes before I need to be somewhere, getting in the car and going somewhere or meeting with someone, anything that there is a time frame for. I'm setting an alarm 10 minutes ahead of time just to give me the time to flow into what has to come next. Maybe I need to brush my hair and get ready to actually get in the car. But I'm giving myself the time so that I'm not rushing about because I'm late.
Good. All right, so some people now have discovered that a 4-day work week, 4 10s, or however you're doing it, is a better way to go. And usually they take Friday off. I'm finding that some people have told me that taking Monday off is actually better than taking Friday off. You get your 3-day weekend, but when you could use it to get things done, and there's less people out and about. Friday's like the new Saturday. It's seriously. Do these people not work? Who are all you people? Used to be us entrepreneurial types, that make our own schedule. But no, everyone's out and about. So a Monday or a midweek day, if you have the flexibility to choose your day off, maybe you don't choose a Friday. Maybe you choose a Monday or a Wednesday. Any day that ends in Y is a good day to take off.
Yeah, but it is, that's always been the greatest thing about being entrepreneurial is that like I'm going to the store on a Wednesday instead of Saturday when everyone's there. So that's a great idea. What else do you got?
Well, I guess my last thing is I'm a big believer now in meeting people virtually. It's grown on me. I like it. I feel like I can share my screen. I can hold something up to the camera if I need to. I can email it to you in advance. And there's no travel back and forth. I just don't see a downside to doing a lot of the things I used to drive to go do and get dressed up and, all that. I just feel like going to conferences virtually instead of traveling all the way over there, if you could do it from home and doing a lot of these, I know I've had enough Zoom to last a lifetime, but sometimes we're doing it because it's a time saver. And it could be a huge time saver. You're getting everything you need to get done. And then when you're done, you're still wearing shorts.
And you don't have to get in the car and drive anywhere. I like that.
Or shower.
I mean,
but
it's
that's
kind
just
of
me.
It's a shower. It's kind of a contrarian view, but you know what? I think secretly a lot of people still like it. Yeah. I like the idea of seeing someone and then turn the computer off and away I go with my day.
On that note.
Yeah, exactly. On that note, you should all go, all you listeners, go about your day and then be back again next week for another episode.